How to install Envato Elements Theme to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, how to download the theme, and also how to install it to your Shopify. It is pretty straightforward, so let's just go and get to it. So first, it's not for free. You will need to know about the pricing for Envato. So if you're well aware of that, we can just go and move on. And what we need to do is just go and go to the search from Envato. By the way, the link to this is elements.envato.com. And then we want to go to the search, like I said, and we want to search for Shopify theme. Now we're going to have a few options here once we search for Shopify theme in CMS template, and in web templates. The one that we actually need to go for is in the CMS template. Do not download a web template that says Shopify theme. It's not going to work. So just go to the CMS templates section and search for Shopify theme. I'm going to repeat. Web templates are not going to work on Shopify. CMS templates are gonna work. So click on Shopify theme and CMS templates. So from now, you simply just want to browse your themes, see which one is going to suit you best. Make sure you're subscribed and click on download. Here it says subscribe to download for me, but for you it should just say download. So once you actually download the file, we are just going to go ahead and do things from Shopify's side of things. So from Shopify, once we actually download the file, all we need to do is just go to the main page here. So online store themes, this is where we need to go. And then we just simply want to click on import theme from the top right corner. Click on that and click on upload zip file. So obviously you're just going to click on upload zip file and upload the same file that you have just downloaded. Now you need to note that not all files that you download from Envato are going to be the same. Some of them you will need to extract in order to find the proper one. So it's going to be a little bit different. Each theme is different in how people are going to make them. So make sure you upload the proper file, and then you are going to have the theme right over here. Make sure you edit the theme as you like, and then you're going to have the option to publish it right away. So let's just go and pretend that this is the theme that we have just uploaded. You simply just want to click on edit theme, take your time with it, and once you're done, you simply just publish it. And now you have your theme ready to go on your Shopify store. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.